What's up, everybody? This is Love for the Streets, and you're watching The Ride Along.
Ride with us, slide with us, come vibe with us. Stay cruising with real hitters and dime pieces. Ain't nobody else comparing to the things we on. You got love for the streets, why don't you ride along? Ride with us, slide with us, come vibe with us. Stay cruising with real hitters and dime pieces. Ain't nobody else comparing.
And another question is this: what got you into lowriding, bro? Like,
oh man, it's been a long, lifelong dream of mine to be able to own one of these cars since I was little. You know, I grew up in Little Village, 26th Street, out here in the south side of Chicago.
That's right.
And I had my uncles. They were one of the first guys to have lowriders around these areas.
Right.
And he would take me for a cruise. He would make me clean his rims, count his spokes. And once I did that, he would take me for a cruise. And I'll never forget the first time I fell in love with the lowriders was when he hit the switches, man.
Stay cruising with real hitters and dime pieces. Ain't nobody else comparing to the things we on. You got love for the streets, why don't you ride along? I get the scoop from the homies at the park. They playing handball, so we.
I had love for the lowriders. I built them, as a model car, all that stuff. But there's something that I've always said, and I don't know how many people can relate to this. Yeah, that's the word I was looking for. But there's a difference between loving lowriders and being a lowrider. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Because I've always had the passion for this. So I've always loved lowriders.
Even when you didn't have a car.
Once you get in it, yeah. Like once you get in it and actually hitting it and
break down
and then what it takes to make it hot. I mean, from breaking down to, overlocking.
Yeah.
To just taking off the rims, you know what I mean? Like
all of that
knockoff.
It's a science to it. What is the legacy that you want to leave for the next generation of car builders, car enthusiasts, lowriders, even anybody that wants to fix up a car? What is it? What's the message that you want to leave for them?
There's one thing that I do want to leave for them is be yourself,
right?
Don't be a follower. If all you can put on your car is China wheels, then that's what you put on your car, bro.
Right.
You know what I mean? You don't have to try to live to somebody else's expectations when your wallet is not cooperating with you at the same time. And that's what I want to leave as far as a side note for others that are building a car. Do what you can build. Don't overextend yourself.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Your time will come.
Don't do it for anybody else. Do it for yourself.
For nobody, because at the end of the day, your head sits on the pillow, not nobody else's.